ओम महागणपतये नमः नारायणाय नमः। अद्य षष्ठः श्लोकः ध्यानम्। टुडे सिक्स्थ ध्यान श्लोकः। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसार बन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे। ॐ नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे। यस्य स्मरण मात्रेण जन्म संसार बन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे। ॐ नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे। Word by word meaning. Yasya, of whom, smaranam, remembrance, matrena, by alone, janma, birth, samsaram, samsara, family, bandhanam, bandham, bandha, ties, 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 relationship, ties, nath, bandhanath, nath, from that, at. Vimuchyate, by being liberated. Namastasmai, namaha, to him. Vishnave, to Vishnu. Prabha Vishnave, Prabha, illumined Vishnu, to him. Om, universal mantra and universal sound. Namo, namaha, Vishnave, to Vishnu. Prabha Vishnave, to the illumined Vishnu. Now the meaning of the verse. Of whom, by alone remembering, I'm going exactly word by word, by of alone remembering, by being liberated. See, vimuchyate, I am taking this word by being liberated, vimuchyate. Janma samsara bandhanat, janma, birth, samsara means family, bandham, ties, from that, janma samsara bandhanat, vimuchyate, by being liberated. Namastasmai, to him my namaskarams. Vishnave, to Vishnu. Prabha Vishnave, to the illumined Vishnu. Om, the Omkara mantraha, the Omkara sound. Namo, prostrations. Vishnave, to Vishnu. Prabha Vishnave, to the illumined Vishnu. This is the sentence meaning. I am giving my prostrations to the Vishnu, to the Prabha Vishnu. By his remembrance alone, I am getting, by being liberated from the janma samsara ties, bandhana. Namastasmai, to him my namaskarams, to Vishnu, to illumined Vishnu. Om, Omkara mantraha, namaha, to Vishnu, to illumined Vishnu. Now the Panini's grammar meaning. Yasya, yasya means of whom. Yaha yauye, yam yauyan, yena yabhyam yehi, yasmai yabhyam yebhyah, Yasmati yabhyam yebhyah yasya shashti vibhakti, of whom. Yaha, from that comes Yasmat Shabdah. Yaha is the first Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. From that, if you continue chanting, you will get Yasya, sixth Vibhakti. Smarana Matrena. Matrena, Matram. We know in Tamil, no, Matra, adu mattum. So, adu Matram, they also use. That is alone. Matrena means by alone. Smaranam, by remembrance. So, remembrance, by alone remembering him is the artha, but by alone remembrance is the technical Vyakarana meaning. Remembrance, smaranam. By alone remembrance, and then you have to come to vimuchyate. In Panine, vimuchyate means by being liberated. Why not saying liberated? By being liberated means vimuchyate is a karmani prayogaha of a atmanepadi. So, one has to vimuchyate by being liberated, uchyate by being said. It is the artha that is called the karmani prayogaha. So, karmani prayogaha karomi is ubayapadinaha kru. Karomi kurute. So, that is a karmani prayogaha. Suppose if you say karoti is a third person if you take in Panini's grammar, which is called the Prathama Purushaha, Karoti, the Atmane Padi will be Kurute. But the Karmani Prayogaha will be Kriyate, because the Yakara Antaha will come. So Karmani Prayogaha will be Kriyate, therefore Vimuchyate is a Karmani Prayogaha of this Pada, Atmane Pada formation. You have Parasmai Pada and Atmane Pada. Briefly, I will quickly go through that. I am sorry if I am going into deep grammar, but gacchati is a parasmai pada. You cannot have gacche. You cannot say saha gacchate. No, it is wrong. And vandate is by basically atmane padinaha. You will have the te ending, not the ti ending. So vandate, aham vande, saha vandate. That is correct. Aham vandami, wrong. But you will have ubaya padinaha in certain cases. Like pachati means cooking. Aham pachami. Saha pachati, he is cooking. Saha pachate, you can also say. That is got both the parasmai format and the atmane format. Here, by being liberated is the contextual poetic way of expressing vimuchyate. So, by being liberated by Mahavishnu, it's artha. Vimuchyate from what? Janma, samsaram and bandhan. See, bandhanat, ramat. Again, it is a Panchami Vibhakti. Ramaha Ramau Ramaha, Ramam Ramau Ramanu, Ramayana Ramabhyam Ramaihi, Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah, Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah. Ramat is a Panchami Vibhakti. From Dan is the artha. It's a conjugational meaning. Therefore, from what? From the Janma and from the Samsara, the family ties, Bandham. Bandha means ties. So, from that Janma and Samsara Bandham, it is the meaning. Namastasmai. Namaha tasmai is namastasmai visarga sandhihi. That's why you get that namas is sa in between namaha and tasmai. When you conjoin it, you get namastasmai means namaha tasmai. Tasmai is again a chadurti vibhakti. Saha taute, tam tautan, tena tabhyam taihi, tasmai, tabhyam tebhya, tasmai, to him. So chadurti vibhakti is always to and for. So namaha to him. Now again Vishnave. Vishnave means to Vishnu. But it is not, Vishnave is not the Mahavishnu's name being used by Vedic scholars. One who is, I told you, Vish is the Dhatuhu for presence and Anu is the atom. So Vishnave means one to the one who is existing in all atoms. And then comes Prabha Vishnave. See the words, I will come to those. Prabha. Bha means illumination, effulgence, energy, to put it Einstein physics. Pra is a upasargaha, so prabha. Prabha means it is too much of an effulgence, high effulgence. On Vishnu, on Vishnave means the Prabha Vishnave, high effulgence on every atom that is present. Where his presence is there. That means he is energy in every atom. See the beauty, if you analyze it in physics, how the description of Narayana is universe. Atoms. atoms means it's not a simple atom. Every atom has an energy and matter. Now, if you take an atom like uranium-235, inside that's a nucleus, you have 92 protons, subatomic particles, and 143 neutrons, chargeless particle. So they add together, make uranium-235, and outside equivalent amount of electrons, 92 protons, 92 electrons. That is a structure. But every atom is illumined. It has energy and matter. That is Einstein's physics. That's all. So here the rishis are using Prabha in every Vishnu. That means every atom is not an atom, dead atom. It's not only matter but energy also. So above iron, Fe, you can do fission. It means energy is released. And below iron element, if you come up to hydrogen, you can have fusion like our sun, the thermonuclear fusion. So see how the rishis explain beautifully the concept of the universe through Lord Narayana by saying he is Prabha Vishnave also. Okay, my dear friends, Bhuyat Tavat Shubhamangalam Shvaha Milamaha, and till such time Bhuyat Tavat Shubhamangalam Dhirghashman.